Hey everyone, just wanted to show you guys a quick update of the cabin, what I've been doing lately. I haven't been recording it at all. No, I'm sorry about that. I just been really busy, and I'm trying to save some money up to get a new camera, a new GoPro or something. So hopefully I could do that, and I'll start making more videos instead of using my phone here. Pretty poor quality, I'm sorry. I'll show you guys this. This is right below the cabin. There's all kinds of scrapings and everything around here. On the way up here, I just saw like 10 deer all grouped up. Look like they're all does, and there's small ones in there, but look at that. I mean, it's everywhere around here. Absolutely crazy. Trying to look for some sheds here. Alright. I'll walk up to the cabin now. It's a nice spot up on the hill there. I love it. Gonna have a nice view from the deck. See a lot of wildlife here. Lots of coyotes, lots of fox, deer, you name it. Fisher. Just been a little bunny running across right here from the cabin. Been seeing him a lot lately. Look at that. I'll be taking that. Thank you, wind. Everything's ice right now. It's kind of hard to walk out here. Got the roof on now. This spring I'll put on the metal. Right now I'm actually working on the front porch there, the deck. But it's coming along good. This is gonna be my workshop. And I'm gonna be building another cabin that's bigger. Over there, beside it, back a little bit. And I'm gonna record step by step how I did that. But yeah, it's looking good. I'm pretty happy with it. Still got a lot to do though. I still got chinking to do the spring. Still got a big window to put on this side over here. I'm doing the deck right now. And then interior, I'm gonna have to do all the interior. I want to make a nice workbench in there. I'm gonna do a lot of woodworking, I think. I think it'll be fun. Made that door. These are my joists for my deck. Either today or tomorrow I'll be mowing up some lumber here. I got some logs ready for that. But I'll show you inside real quick. I'll have stairs coming up in the front onto the deck. Show you guys the view I'll have. Be sitting a lot on this. I'll be spending a lot of time on this deck, I think. Drinking a nice cup of coffee. can't wait. I just got a bunch of tools and stuff stored in here right now. I have stayed a few nights in here this winter. And I actually stayed pretty warm. There's a little loft area. A little window up there and everything. I got the log joists up here too that I used. A couple windows in the corner with this facing the sun, the south side. Very temporary setup right here. I like to do a nice rock hearth and everything in the corner, and it's gonna be set up real nice. But homemade door I made. Like I said, this is gonna be my workshop. There'll be a window on this side too. I gotta put in real soon here. Be nice once this is all chinked though. I can't wait. I'll show you where the bigger cabin's gonna go. Hopefully I don't fall on my ass. The cabin's gonna go around here somewhere. But there you go, guys. My fingers are about froze, so I'm gonna end it. And I promise you guys I will get a new camera, and I'm gonna start recording pretty regular and more in depth on things, and show you how I'm building this cabin in my next one. Alright guys, take care.